Welcome to WealthWired. Most people will never save $10,000. Not because they can't, but because nobody showed them how. Not because they don't earn enough, but because no one ever gave them the exact system. In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the step-by-step plan to save $10,000 in just 90 days, starting from absolute zero. This is the plan I would personally use, and it works on any income. Quick note, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a financial advisor.
Here's the truth most finance channels won't tell you. Saving $10,000 is not about extreme sacrifice.
It's about one thing, the gap. The gap between what comes in and what goes out.
Most people never calculate their real gap. They just feel broke. So step 1, find your exact number. Pull out your last 3 bank statements. Add up every single outgoing payment, every subscription, every takeout order. You'll probably find something that shocks you. Most people find between $200 and $600 in spending they completely forgot about.
Once you know your gap, you can widen it. And that's exactly what the 3 levers do.
3 levers. Pull all 3 at once and $10,000 in 90 days stops being a dream and becomes a math problem you can solve.
To save $10,000 in 90 days, you need 112s per day or 780s per week. Sounds hard? Watch how fast it changes.
Lever 1. Cut the invisible expenses.
The average person wastes $400 per month on subscriptions they barely use.
Streaming services, gym memberships, premium apps. Cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days.
That's $1,200 toward your goal, just from one afternoon of cancellations.
Small daily swaps add up fast. Making coffee at home instead of buying it saves $90 to $150 every single month.
Go line by line through your statement. If you can't remember what a charge is for, cancel it immediately. Cut the waste. Every dollar you stop spending is a dollar already saved. No earning required. Lever 1 alone gets you 15% of the way to your goal without earning a single extra dollar.
Lever 2. Stack your income.
I'm not talking about getting a second job. I'm talking about 10 focused hours per week of structured side income. Freelance work on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, selling unused items, weekend delivery, all viable options.
Most households have $500 to $2,000 worth of unused items that could be sold this weekend.
Adding even $500 extra per month completely changes your 90-day math.
Pick one method. Commit to 10 hours per week for 90 days. That single decision is worth $1,500 to $3,000 toward your goal.
2 income streams are always more powerful than 1. Your main job plus 1 side stream, that combination is unstoppable. Lever 2 brings you to 40% of your goal. Combined with lever 1, you're nearly halfway there.
Lever 3. Automate the save. This is the most important lever of all 3.
The biggest mistake people make is waiting until the end of the month to save whatever is left. There is never anything left. The moment your paycheck hits, automatically transfer your savings amount to a separate account. You cannot spend what you cannot see.
Once automation is set up, your savings grow while you sleep, while you work, and while you spend on the things you enjoy.
Automation removes willpower from the equation entirely. You don't need discipline when the system does it for you. 3 levers working together. Now let's see exactly what this looks like week by week over 90 days.
Here is your exact 90-day week-by-week plan broken into 3 phases.
Phase 1, weeks 1 and 2. Audit your expenses, cancel waste, open a high-yield savings account, and set your automatic transfer. Target by end of week 2, $500 saved. Your first milestone. This is where momentum begins. Phase 2, weeks 3 through 6. Pick one side income method and commit 10 hours per week. This is your income sprint. Target by end of week 6, $2,500. You're 1/4 of the way there and the hardest part is already behind you. Phase 3, weeks 7 through 12. By now the habit is locked in. Your savings have momentum. This phase is the easiest because you built the system. Weeks 7 through 12, your expenses are lower, your extra income is flowing, and your savings account has real momentum.
Day 90, your savings account hits $10,000.
Not because you got lucky, not because you got a raise, because you built a system and stuck to it for 90 days. The final push to $10,000 is actually the easiest part because you are no longer fighting the system. You are the system. Once you hit your goal, don't leave that $10,000 sitting in a regular checking account earning nothing. A high-yield savings account pays you 4 to 5% interest right now. That means your $10,000 earns $500 per year while you sleep. The only difference between people who save $10,000 and people who don't is a system. You now have the system. Start today.
No fees, no minimums, FDIC insured. I've linked the accounts I would personally consider in the description below. Hit subscribe and join the WealthWired community. A new money strategy is waiting for you every single day. Let's build your wealth, starting right now.